Hello guys, how are you? I think you are all well. Today, in this chapter, I am telling about the our main tools in the AutoCAD in drafting and annotation workspace. So you see already I open drafting and annotation workspace. If you are not getting here, then you can check from here. See, drafting and annotation already open here now. And you can see the our panels, home, insert, annotation. Here, this all are here. So today we learn about this draw panels. Many tools are here. Also down, many tools are here. Let's go start now. First, this is the line. Line, just you click once here, or shortcut is the L. Just click here and you can draw your line as you want. Like that, you can draw this side, this side, this side, or this side. If you want to angular draw, then you off this ortho mode from here. Then you can draw in the angular anywhere you want, you can draw. Again you open the ortho, then it will be go straight in four sides. How to delete this line? You can just draw any object here, then you select it and delete, then it will be go. Otherwise you can use the shortcut command E, means erase, then enter. And one thing in AutoCAD, from keyboard, space is working also same as the enter. So you can use enter or space as you like. You understood the line? We can draw like that line. Okay. And second thing, second tools are the polyline. Polyline means all vertex connected, like here, and we off the ortho mode, then this and this, like that, and line, if like that, like that, like that. Okay, so what is the difference in the line in polyline? If you collect the polyline once a place, then all the vertex are connected. And if you collect the select the line, then you see they all are the separate segments. This is the difference between the line and the polylines. So just I'm going to delete it. Next tool is circle. Circle, just you click the center of the circle where you want to draw. Just click, and as you want, you can draw. Or you can give to the radius of the circle as you like. Then it will be draw. Okay. It is the circle. Move it. Yes. Or cancel it. E and enter. Another tool say arch. Arch you can draw in the type, you see many types, and as a circle you see the many types. So now I'm going to draw the arch. Just to click once place here, 3-point arch, and here. Then it's draw here arch. Okay. Now just I'm going to again cancel it, delete it. Then come to here, then rectangle, anywhere you click, where you want, just click and scroll from mouse, the down, up, right, left, anywhere you can draw the rectangle. Okay. And here down to rectangle, this is the polygon. Polygon, just you click here, and it's asking the how many corners you want on the polygon. I'm going to write here 8, then enter, then we click here and select to inscribed or the circumference as you want. Just select the inscribed, you see yellow. This is the polygon and have the 8 corner. So these things also we understood. Okay. Then we go to here elliptical arch means it's look like a 3D. Just click once here, one, and here you can see here, and select it and a click again on this. See, this arch is looking like a vertical in the 3D model. Okay. Next, here you see this is the point. This is things all are same because we draw from the center. If you want to draw from the corner of means the transit of the ellipse, then just you click here, and click here. It's complete now. And third one you can see here also like a arch. Just click here, and click here. Then enter it. Yes, you see this arch as you want you can draw it. So this tools also you understood. Now another thing is the hatch. Hatch and gradients and boundaries, the three things are here. So I'm telling about the hatch. Just to click once here and then come to here. Just see. And the panel are open here. How do you want this design, this design, this design as you like. And here you can see the so many designs are here. As you like you can use it. And after that we come again down to hatch and gradient. You come here and just see it's the gradients. Okay. Another things down you come, it's the boundary. If you don't have here boundary, you can make the boundary like a just click here and go to here inside the arch. Yes, you can see it's highlighted means it's boundary now and enter it. So these tools three we can use like that. So mostly in the home draw, mostly in the draw panel, these tools are using mostly. And now you come to down this the small tools using somewhere. If we design the a complete project, then we can do fast and we can use this all tools. So just I'm telling you small things about this. Okay, let's go start now. Now we go to all cancel from here, then come to down here. This is the one SP line. Yes, like a freehand you can draw it and enter. Next again you come to here, same the SP line, but CV means it will be connected vertex. Like I'm see a draw. You see we can see the connected points. Okay, then enter it. So what is the difference of the between the polyline and polyline CV? You select here and you select this also. You can see here we can't see the our points where this arch inside point or outside point we can't see here. And here we can see our point where we click and made the lines. This is the difference between these lines. Okay. Now I'm going to again delete this. Then next it's the construction point line. Construction line means it's the throw lines. You want to select here horizontal, vertical, angular, and bisect and offset. So just click here. See, this is the line. Okay. It is the throwout line. Okay. Escape. Both are those line is the throwout. If you want to come down, okay, you can zoom and zoom out, but it line you can't see the end. Okay. This is the line construction. Another thing, you come to here, then it is the rays. Ray means if you choose any point, this line start from there. Construction line is the throughout, and the ray is start from your selected point, but it will be also that direction throughout the far. Let's select. Okay, you can select anywhere. Yes. So this line throughout from this point, and the construction line throughout when click 2 times, then throughout. Okay. Next, you come to here points. Yes. See, this is the points. Where you want, you can draw your points. Okay. Another thing, first I have to select it and erase all and draw a line, a straight line. Yes, this is the one line. Then these tools, see, divide. It will be divide our line. So it's asking you select the object. I'm going to select it here. Then it's asking enter the number of segments. How many numbers you want in the segments? I'm giving here 10. Just click. You see, it's divided in the 10 point numbers. You can see each all are the same. Okay. So this is the means of this divide line. And again I cancel it, then draw another one line. Yes. Then come to here again one tool. This tool is the measure tools. You see, just function. Just click once here. It's asking to select to measure object. We want to measure this line. Then just click here once. Then it's asking specify length of the segments, each segments. Here I'm again giving to 10, 100 length. Each segment length will be 100 mm. Then just enter. You see, it's every 100 already divided. Just undo. I'm showing you again, giving to big length, like select here and select here. Then I'm giving 2000 mm the length of each segment. You see now easily you can see it. Okay. So you can measure every point. Your line has already divided in the parts. So now I'm going to erase it also. Now next tool. You come here. It's a region. Region means just I select a rectangle. This is rectangle. Select here and go to in the property of this rectangular. So where is my property? It is the, yeah, this is the property panel. Now property panel has opened here. Okay. Now you see this is the polyline. If I am select here, you see it is the polyline. But you come here, then you select it here, region. Then it's asking select the object. I'm going to select it. Yes, then enter. Okay, now you select again here, then you see region. Okay, it will be used in the 3D model. Okay, so it's converted in the region, polyline to region. Just select and erase it. Next, here wipe out. You can see here the explaining, and you select. Yes, now I'm going to draw here. This is the polyline. Yes, you see, if we come here, we can't see, but we can select. You see, it's hide like a mask. This means as a mask. So I think you understood. If I'm going to again to to that point and select here. Then I'm saying here the frame, then select here the on, then it will be show on. You can see now here. Okay, this is the means of these tools. Another tools here. This tool is a polyline 3D. 3D means X, Y and Z. We can give value here and just off this like and escape. So we can give the Z value also this line. So here you can see the 3D polyline. Okay, and here now Z value is the 0. We can give here like a 300 mm. Then it's up from the ground 300 mm. And there see the polyline. Then we select. Okay. Then select here. It's polyline, and you select it here. This is the 3D polyline. This is the difference in the line, the polyline and 3D polylines. Just click once and erase it. Next tools. Next tool, you see here, this helix. What is the means of helix? If you select once and second time, and see, you can make as you like, or you can make inside also, or you can make outside. This is the means of helix. I think you understood. Again, you can see here. Then you come inside. Yes, this is the helix. Very easy to draw. Okay. Next tools. These tools. Donut. Just you click here. It's what's asking the diameter of donut. I'm giving here 2000. Okay. Then come to screen and click here and second point and center where you want to put this. I'm going to put it here. Yes. And then escape it. You see this is the donut. You can see dot is here and around a mask. This is the donut. Just select and delete it. Third one things. You can make the polygon where the hatch is like that. You see? Yes, enter. Okay. You can draw like that. This especially be using to indicate some things then. Okay. So I think these all tools you have understood in the draw panels. Our next panel is the modify. So now we learn about this panel, modify panels. So here so many tools are given you. Let's we start how to use it. First is the move. Everybody is knowing move. Just select and enter, then move it. This is the move. Rotate. Just come to here, select this point, enter, then pick a corner and rotate it. This is the means rotate. And trim here I am making two lines. This. Okay. This is the lines I draw here. Then we use the trim. Then just click once here. Then it's asking the cutting edge, crossing, mode, project and erase. So first erase, you see anywhere you come this line, after this line we can cut like here we cut, means erasing. Okay. Now I escape and control undo, then line is here. Then again I select this trim. Then we select the cutting edge. Then I'm going to select one edge this and enter. Then come to here. Then I can cut only this one. Okay. This is use of the trim. You can cut line or erase anywhere you want or trim it. This is means. And here downside one is the extended. Just click here and is asking the boundary, otherwise you select like that, then this line will become up to here, here, okay, here. But if you have another one line here like that, then again you select extend, then this line will become up to here, means up to the first object, okay. But I want to up to here, then how do we do? Just select the boundary edge and select it, then enter, then come, then this line will become up to here. This is the means of the extend line. You can use it. Okay. Third one, the copy. Copy, everybody knowing. Just select here and click on this object, enter, then it will be give the copy to us. This is the means of the copy. After that, mirror. Mirror, we will make any object in the mirror. So just click once here, click here and enter. Then he wants the first point from where you want to mirror. I want to mirror from here. You see, yes. If we select our ortho mode, then yes, like that we can do. And click here. Then it's asking us, you want to erase this one or you want to keep it here. So I'm saying I want to erase it here, then just a yes, yes, it's gone and the copy is here, mirror copy is here. This is the means of the our mirror. Next point, first I am going to draw a rectangle. Come here and just select it here. Then I want to draw one polyline. Yes. Of the ortho mode. Yes. Okay. Now, here one is the fillet and one is the chamfer and one in the blend curve. So blend curve mostly we are not using, but fillet, like just click here, come to down, it's asking to us. So once you select here, second time you select here, it's like a chamfer. But if select here and come and I'm giving to here the radius, then give to radius, I'm giving to 60 so 60 mm radius. Then we select here and come to here. You can see here now is the radius. Okay. And again we come to here fillet. Okay. Then we just click here and click here. Is that nothing happening? But select and come here and see the down area here you see. Just select polyline and select here once. Then you see all corners are yes as we like. Again you select here, then come to here multiple, yes. Then it's asking to insert first point. I going to insert this one and this one. Okay. Then hit enter. Again you go to filter and say here undo. Okay. Then just click here. Okay. Means this is the part. Okay. Next one I'm going to explain to here also. Come here and chamfer. Then just select this line and this line. You see, it's now again joined. But this corner still is there. If you come here and yes, it's joined. Same in corner. But you see, here it's asking so many things as distance from here to here how much, or here to here how much. Then we can make a chamfer, or we can trim here multiple options like a distance. If I am select here distance, okay, it's asking to us specify chamber distance. I'm giving to here 200, okay, then select it, okay. It's asking second point. Second point I'm going to write here 300, okay. Now we are going to select it here and select it here. You see, here to here 200 and here to here 300, it make the chambers. This is the means of the chamber, okay. So I think this you understood. Now stretch means just to click here and enter. Then it's asking point. I'm going to the point. You can scratch it, okay. This is means scratch. And scale means okay, I'm just erase it, and again I'm going to draw a small rectangle. Then select it, scale. It's asking object. I'm select it here object, then enter. Then we take one point, any point. Then it's asking the factor, copy or reference. We are giving to reference, means I'm giving to here the 4, then enter. It will be 4 times big. Yes, 4 times big, okay. And if I'm select again here and I'm giving to here 0.5, means half will be come here. Scale, yes, up. So you can use the scale like that. After that, array. Array means just you select here, okay, and you asking object. You select the object here, then enter. You see, again enter, okay. Now you select once here. You see, it's asking the between gap row is 3 here. If you want to 5 row, then just you write here 5 and enter. This is the 5 row now, okay. And total this much, and between gap is this, column is this. You see, column is the 4. If you make the column 10 here, write the 10, then it will be 10, okay. So this is the our array. Now I'm going to again undo, okay. This is the one. Second array type you see, and come here the polar array. Just I am going to click here, then select object, then enter, okay. Then pick a center point. I am going to pick here center point, okay. Now enter. You see, now in the circular or circular center you can see here. Here you can change also row and item. Item I want to 10 here. Just I'm write 10 item here. Then it's 10. Okay. Then row here I'm going to write the 2. You see, row is 2. And level is also 2 US. You see. So we can use like that the array. You see here so many editing, closing, the options are here. So when we will draw something, then we'll use this all. Okay, this is the means of the array. So I think you understood how to we use the array. So the next is the same. This is the erase point. Erase is just to come and select and enter, then all will be go. Means delete, same is the delete. And another thing is that exploded, means it's be using for the object. Like I'm going to draw one small circle and a rectangle. Yes, another one line. Yes, this is the now three things, but separate. If I will make the object, then Control C and come to here, then okay. See, now is the here is the separate, and here is the one. If you select, then all will select because it's the one object. Here is the three object. If you want to make again it's the in the three separate object, then how to we use this explode, come to here and select anywhere here and enter. Now it's again the three items. See, one is this one, second and third, same as previous. And after that, offset, I'm going to draw one line and one rectangle, okay, one circle. We will use the offset. Just click here and it's asking how far you want to offset. Here 100 already written. I'm just select it and select this line and go to this side here. Okay, you can see it's offset already. Okay, it's small, that's we can't see. Just select it here and go to offset. I'm giving to distance here 2000. Okay, then we select it and come this side, then you can see and select it and come this side, it's offset. And here you select and come inside and select here, then this 2000 mm, the offset, come here inside, come out, this is the offset. So I think you understood the offset. So main tools, in the modify tools you understood. And here if you come down, then here many small tools, mostly we are not using much, but just small I can tell to you. This is the change the space between the two objects, and this the line length is the length we can increase, and this edit the polylines means if I draw one polyline here, okay, and we go to here, then edit the polyline, come here, select the polyline, okay. Now here options, how do we want to close vertex, fit, SP line. Just I am showing one these things. If they go to SP lines, okay, it's converted in this, okay. And D curve again, then yes, same. Okay. So we can use this tools somewheres, but I think not a much different, like it's saying the break, you know? So we want to put a break in this rectangle here, okay, and here you see it's break it, and just break point in a, you see next point is the break, it's showing here break. And if I click twice here, then we can't see, but if you select, then we see here is the point mark. So not a much using this point, sometimes we have to use it. And another one point is like a I'm right, draw a rectangle, okay, and change the layer, then the point. Again I'm writing the a rectangle here, okay. Now see, this is the two rectangle, one is the down and one is the up. If we want to down, send to down this and bring to up another, then just you use this is the somehow usable, means draw order, this to bring to front, or just you can use here send to back, okay. Just click enter yearly, that is now downside. If you bring again to here, then you select here and here click, then send to back and enter. Yes, most this using sometimes, and this one using I told. Other is the very small, the edit, hats, arrays, this all things we can edit. This is modify means we can edit the existing object. This is means of the modified panel. So modified panel is now completed it. And I think you understood it. Guys, now this is the third panel. Annotation, it's a very important point. In this panel, we can write the text, we can measure, we can create the tables, we can create the leaders. Learn how to we can use. First is the text. Text, just you click here, two types, multi-line or single line. Just we select here multi-line and like click here, then you can write as you like, anything you can write here. Yes, this is we can use like that. And single line, then just you select here and here, then it's asking rotation. Yes, then you can write here. Okay, then enter it and click outside. Then again you can write and click outside. Okay, or escape it like that. And another thing is that dimensions. Dimensions, like this is the one line. Sorry, erase it. And I'm going to on ortho line here. Now polyline. Yes, yes, yes. And a circle. Okay. A arch. Okay. And another things. Okay, mostly another, I'm taking one line here. Just click. Okay, in the dimension panel, you see so many styles are. If liner is straight, we can measure. If we come to here, like that, we can't measure the align. Yes, we can measure only straight. Okay. If I select here this align, then I can measure it the align. You see, now we can measure the align. Okay. And next one, angular. You select here. Then, okay, first we have to draw one line. Okay. Now select the angular. Select this one, then we can find out the angle between those two lines. And next one, here arch, just select one arch. Yes, you can find the length of the arch. Another things, radius, just come to in circle and select here, then you can find the radius of circular. Then again you select here diameter, then come to here and select the circle, then you can find the diameter. It's diameter and it's the radius. Next one, come to here. This is the ordinate. These two things not using much because from the X side and Y side. So leave it here. Okay. Another thing is the leader. See, just click to here and select here and select here, and we can write this is the circle. This is the means leader. And if you want this is the add leader, we can add more leader, or we can make, this is the same things, but we can add like the select here and I can add another. Okay, I can write another. here and select it here. Just like that, and we can write here what is these things, what is these things. If the more described, then 2 place, 3 place we can. Another thing is there here a table. We can create table as a Excel. We give to here the column, how many columns required, width column. This is default. You can change here and just click here and click here. Okay. Then you can edit table, otherwise like that. See how, why you can see, and just click here. You can see as a action, and you can write here anything. See, if you want like that, you can write in this box. Okay, then just come like a Excel sheet. Just you select here, and once select here again, then you can see here the text styles. If you want to modify text style, then just you click here, manage. Then you can change the here height, font as you like. Then apply and close it. And after that, this is the dimension styles annotations. Then you come to here, manage dimension style. Here you can see, just click modify, and you can change here as you like the lines, symbols, arrows, text, fit, units, alternate units, the all you can modify here. So when we work, then I will explain the how do we modify it. Okay, it's very easy, you can modify it. And then again you come to leader, then leader, manage multi-leader. Okay, here we can make the new style like any, give to name, and we can modify it. Okay, then you come to down. Okay, it's finished. This is the standard styles of table. This is standard table style, or you can change the styles, can make here new, just okay, and after that the modify it. Okay, as you like. Okay, so I think this panel you understood it. It's a very important. One thing I want to tell you here, this text style, just manage here, make new, give to name. I'm giving this style 1. Okay, then you change here the height 25. If you change any font you like, you can change here. It's very easy. Then apply and then close. It's changed. And where you find this is, see, this is the style 1 now. Okay, and I'm just select here this. Then you can change here the styles. Okay, like that. And in the dimensions, just click here, manage dimension, and you can make a new style here. Any, I'm giving to 12 name and continuous. Okay, then you can modify here. So you can change the colors. Okay, like that you can see line types. Like, see, you can see here. And then next, here you see the line, how you want these lines all. As I'm changing here, all you can see that we are going to change here. Okay, so, and color also, you see, if I'm making here green, you see that green color. So you can modify it here. And arrows like architecture, like a close field, then select close field here, then you can close. And here if you want to make the close field, you see, you can see now it's changing. And text here, color, I'm going to this color, then you see the text color has changed. So anything you can change here. Units, decimal here, engineering, architecture, what you want, you can change it here. Precisions, after the points you want to do 2, 1, or you don't want, you can change here. Okay, and alternative is no need maximum. This one thing is here, you check horizontal or align with the dimension line. If you put here the horizontal, then see the all the text are the horizontal. If select here the align with, then align with the lines. This is the most things. Then okay and close it. Okay, this is the most thing I think you understood now. So this 3 panel is the completed it, and this 4th panel is the most important. This is the layer. So it's not a big things, but important. Just you select here, okay, come to here and see here the new layer. You can give to layer name. I'm leave it to the layer 1. Then just come to here and select here and give to color. I'm giving the color here. And the continuous and default, this is the normally we are not going to change because it's the big things now. If you making the big project, then we can change, but otherwise no need. So role, I'm show to you role, how to? Yes. See, this is the two things. Okay, I'm select here and come to here and change the layer. See, as we created. See, color has come. And now you see, if I'm select this layer and I'm off from here, turn off, then it has gone from here, but not deleted. It's here. Again we come to here and open our layer here. Okay, then you can see. And another function, if I click here lock, then I can't change nothing here. See, if I want to delete, I can't delete. If I'm delete, no, I'm not able to do something change now in it because it's lock. If unlock and freeze it, then it's also here, but the freezed. If unfreeze, then again you click. This is the role of the layers. So we can make the multi-layers. If we work, then it will be used much times. It's very important things. Okay, these 4 panels I told you. Okay, next this is the block. Block is the not a big issue, but somewhere we'll use. So in starting part, I think no need to do understood. Here see the match properties. Match properties, it's important. Like if you click once here like that, then click here, then we come to here and select it here. Okay, it's the same its property has come to here, any match property. Now you see the dimension has not changed. So how to change? Match property here, then you select here, then come to here. Yes, property has changed. Now this layer and this layer is the same. Okay, this is the means matching the property. Another object too, like if I am select from here and come to here and select it here. Okay, then you see this column property is the depth point same as this depth point. Okay, so this like that we can match the properties by layer. You see this will if you do work, then we'll see. And here you can change the thickness of our lines. You can give the thickness. You can assign if you want more big, like you select it here, select it here, then come to here, then select this line. Okay, so this line is the thickness is the more. Here we can't see because the one option is there, LW line weight display. Then select here, write 1, and enter. Now you can see this line is the thickness. Now again we select here and go here, and if you want to dash, then you see how to appear in the lines, and see this okay, hidden. So line type you can change here line type, and here you give to thickness of the lines. So this is the most things are complete in this panel also. Another panel group, like I'm select here, okay, and come to here, then make it group. Then if you select one, then all are selected because it's the group. If right click like that, then you can make it the ungroup, or you select here, then come to here, you check ungroup, select it here, now ungroup to here, okay, individually. So like that you can use this all tools. So I think mostly from here to here the tools already I told you, it's using very most things. After that these things we have to use when we start our one project, because in see the insert, you can what you want to insert in the drawing, these things all you can insert here. Image you can insert, or you create, okay, attribute, anything you can insert here. Our annotation is the same. Our this home panel already we learned, this is the annotation, and here annotation separate more. So this all tools you can see open here like that. This is dimensions like that, and center lines, leaders, and already we seen all are hidden. This all you can see here. This is the important things. You can practice it here, then you will understand. These things now we are not going to use in the starting portion, and it's the views. If you want to 3D view, 2D view, we can change here. So this is mostly we no need now. Here manage, here import, export the another versions, drawings, and PDF we can insert, manage everything for managing system is there here. They like import, export the which version you want to import, and the external list if you want to add with our the drawing, then we can add to here the visual lisp editor. We can edit it here and run VBA macro as in the Excel and in Microsoft Office, like that macro we can use here. And this is the advanced things, so no need now. If you start the draw any project, then we'll use some from here like that. And output here we can use the as a layout. After finish our project, we will create the sheets, means layout, and batch plot, single plot, and we can export our project to in any other formats, like the 3 formats we can in PDF also we can export. Okay, so these things also no, this are not related to this, not related to us. Now this is the somehow we will use when we will make the our drawing. See here break line symbols are showing. Okay, just click once, you see the break point you can see. Many drawings we use. This is the A1 part. Has already we seen that. So here is not mostly this home page you have to use, and these tools you can try to draw any object and practice it here. Okay, I think you understood. It's very big video now. Next video I think we'll start a building or maybe small the villa portion, any project, then we will use this all tools, then you will understood. Thanks for watching, guys.